Did you guys know that GENTLEMONSTER has jewelry? Since when did they have jewelry? But let's unbox it together to see what's in here. Oh! Okay, never mind. It's not jewelry. They got me a whole ass staff. But this is, I think, what they meant to send me. I gotta try it on. Do I look like Edna? This is so cute! My Gen Z coworkers taught me how to wear GENTLEMONSTERs. So you're not supposed to wear it like this. This. Bruh. Not like this. You have to kind of like put it down. Like that. I don't know. I don't think I could rock this, but... Hi. How do you wear this? But I do like the staff. I don't know what I'll do with this, but this is now gonna be my... Is there something else in here? No. I almost threw away the box. Oh, we've got 4 more and a... Look at the case. Let's try the first one. I don't know where I'll wear this, but... What do you think? Next one. Oh, I think I can wear this. I think I kind of rock this one. I love these transparent lenses lately. Oh my god, the side has like this... What do you call that? I don't know what you call that, but it's so pretty. Ah, I like these ones. What do you think? Do you think I look good in this? Okay, next one. Look like this. And the sides, silver. Ooh! Again, remember, don't put it up like this. Don't put it up, people are gonna laugh at you. A little bit down, like that. Next one. Ooh, these are like actual shades. This is so pretty. Let's try. Men in Black. I'm so old. Do I look like a frog? Do I look like a toad? The light went off. Let there be light. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so. Oh. I think GENTLEMONSTER is just for cool people because clearly... Maybe it's the frames. Yeah, it's the frames. Let's just say it's the frames. Okay, let's go through everything. We have these ones. Very cute. Very cute. And then we have these guys. I think I like these two the most. Out of the two, you guys tell me which one I look the best in. This has these pink crystals on the side. And then this has silver crystals on the side. Oh, and don't forget we have these guys. She's feeling cons. Oh, I didn't see the sides. So pretty. And then lastly, we have this guy. So cute, so pretty. Look at the shine. And then we've got, yeah, look at this. Oh my god, don't know what I'm gonna do with this. But probably whenever someone's coming into my house, like, take your shoes off or else. But yeah, well, that is it for today's unboxing. Don't hate me. This is my first time doing an unboxing, okay? Thank you so much. It doesn't have the logo. Thank you so... Where's the logo? Oh, it's behind me. I found it. Thank you so much, GENTLEMONSTER. They're never gonna send me PR again. Oh, so heavy. Thank you so much, GENTLEMONSTER, for sending me this PR. 잘 쓰겠습니다. 감사합니다. Bye.